Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. There is Yasir Hussain. Yasir Hussain opens up about 11-year age gap between him and his 5. Yasir Hussain and Ikrazis talked about how they met and 11-year gap between them. Ikrazis and husband Yasir Hussain appeared on a talk show and discussed about their 11-year-old age gap, how they met and later problematic statements. Yasir Hussain told the host the good thing about Ikrazis is that she doesn't mind my jokes unlike the rest of the nation. Ikrazis recalled where she connected with Yasir for the first time. She shared, I lost my phone at an award show. I knew Yasir already. While I was fractionally searching for my phone, he came to the rescue while hosting the show. So that's how we started talking. The host curiously asked if Yasir Hussain asked for the number, to which Ikrazis responded and said not at all. That was another thing that impressed me. He never tried to converse more than necessary or asked for my number. The Lahore Siage star said that when he was getting to know Ikra, he used to hang out with Hiramani and model Shahifa Jabbar Khattak. He said, I was about to leave after my hosting stint, so I was dropping the woman off. Maybe that's when they realized that I am a decent guy. After that, hangouts became a norm, but by that time I figured that I really don't have time to waste. I am 11 years older than her. I immediately proposed, he added. While talking about the 11-year age gap between the couple, the host asked how it works for them, to which Ranjha Ranjha Kardi star replied, I think it is very important. Since he is older than me, he knows life and the industry better. I take advice from him more than often. The actress also revealed what she loves most about husband. She said his empathetic nature. He really wants to keep everyone around him and I happy. He loves to solve others' issues. Yasir Hussain also talked about his problematic statement. He said, the problem is that I speak the truth. You can't make 100 people understand the same thing. My only issue would be that I don't really like to explain things to preach them. I could be wrong at times, but I cannot be wrong every time. The 36-year-old also discussed about his view on Turkish drama serial Ertugrul. He said, I still don't have an issue with Ertugrul. My issue to this date has been with PTV. We should be making fresh content, not airing or adopting foreign ones. If Ertugrul is Islamic history, our local producers should have made this show. If you like my video, then hit the like button and share to your friends. If you want to see more videos like that, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching my video.